Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and today it looks like we're getting another winter storm. However, the temperature is going to be a little warm, so today we're not going to be getting as much as expected. Likely, it's going to be unlikely that my dad's going to be able to go to work tomorrow, but I guess we're getting some more snow, which is pretty cool, but also it would be nice if it could snow, but also at the same time not mess up the roads, you know? My parents are currently at the store, and it does not look to be snowing yet. It's just not snowing.
It actually looks like it's slushing out.
Really?
Slush coming now. Basically, this is the start of a very nasty storm.
I don't think you're going to work tomorrow.
I don't think so. Well, I wouldn't be driving it anyways. If I went to work, I'd be calling for a ride.
Look at the snow pellets. Look.
Is that snow or ice?
I think it's ice.
Ice pellets. Yeah, that's ice.
Having fun. So it looks like we got snow overnight, and quite a lot of it. And he didn't go to work. Oh, it's cold. Is that ice?
Ice.
Is it still snowing, or is that just snow falling from the trees?
I think it's still snowing. It's supposed to snow again at 3.
Oh, wow. Well, what is this forecast? Yesterday it was supposed to snow all day long and start at 10 a.m. and then it didn't snow at all. Yeah. And then they forecast, like last night they said only like 1 to 3 inches of snow. And then we get like half a foot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cold. Well, it's still snowing, I guess. By the way, under the porch is very green.
Yeah, I know.
Is that normal?
It's pressure treated wood. Yeah.
Should I eat some snow?
It is snowing again.
I know, it is snowing. So didn't you say you needed to get blood work done today?
Yep, and a chest x-ray.
Wow. Oh god, the wind is really cold.
Yeah, it is.
How about we go in the backyard?
We can try.
Ugh. Oh, the wind. It's like a blizzard.
I know.
Oh my god, that thing is ripping.
What?
That thing.
Oh, yeah.
I got a comment saying that could make the house colder.
Yeah, it can.
Oh my god, look at those trees. Look at those leaves. What do we do with this backyard?
I have no idea.
I mean, it is ours.
Yeah. So we're putting a little flat deck up there.
Well, this is our backyard with snow.
Mm-hmm.
This is more snow than I think we had last time.
Yeah, I think so. I don't think I'm climbing up there again. That was a death trap.
I know, I slipped multiple times over there.
Oh, let's clean off our heater again.
You know what's weird? We still have orange leaves right there.
I know, it's weird.
You're not even looking.
I know, I've seen them before.
Oh.
Oh, actually, they're dead. They're brown. Ugh, I can't look that way, the wind.
I know. Ugh.
I can't believe we had no heat this morning.
We didn't have heat this morning?
No. It was in the 50s when I got up.
Wait, it was in the 50s and I was just sleeping?
Yep.
And I wasn't even cold or anything?
Nope.
Maybe that's just proof that it gets really warm in the rooms.
I know.
Because I wasn't cold at all.
I heard this thing running, but the furnace wasn't.
Maybe we should add a little, I don't know, make an extension to the roof over here so that when it snows there's not much snow on there. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Or I could make a little box for it. Because it's wet, and remember it was raining and it froze? No. It was white.
Is your finger covering the microphone?
No, it's not.
Yeah. Alright, well, can't even see now. Is there really anything else we should do in the snow?
I don't know.
Don't you have to go out, like, soon to try and get your blood work?
I'm talking about doing it after work.
After what?
Work.
You mean tomorrow?
Yeah.
What, you could just do it any day of the week?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought today was like the only day you could possibly do it.
No.
Too bad we can't fly a drone because it's like too windy to fly it. Oh my god, look at the vibrant green roof. Oh, my hand's getting cold because I can't hold the camera with my glove. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since I last picked up the camera. I'm sorry guys, I haven't been filming much. There's just, I've said this probably 2,000 times for the past in the past year, but there's just not much to film right at this moment. As you can see, the snow is already half melted, but we're actually getting another 1 to 3 inches of snow tonight. I did want to do a video where we flew the drone over the city after a snowstorm, but it just didn't work out because my dad works until 5 p.m. and by the time he comes home it's dark out, so hopefully we get a snowstorm on the weekend. But a couple updates. Next Tuesday my dad is actually getting eye surgery on his Aye. Alright, well, we're gonna fly the drone over the city because he came home early today. Why?
They wouldn't do the blood test near where I worked at, so the only way to get it was to drive all the way back home.
And
Which is over a half-hour drive, then would be a half-hour back, and an hour at the doctor's office or hospital.
jeez.
Weird. Why bother?
Well, we did get some more snow overnight, so I figured we should fly the drone to see what the city looks like. We did end up getting more snow. It looks like pure winter outside. It's weird, all the trees have more snow on them, like the branches and leaves, than the actual ground. Oh my god, it's like pure winter wonderland here. There's just snow everywhere, it doesn't even look real. Is that even normal?
Well, it's really on the trees because of the ice storm.
Well, is that because like the snow is like sticking to the trees?
Yeah.
But I've never seen this before. That's so weird. It's just pure whiteness.
I know.
Oh my god, look at all those birds. And all the trash. Alright guys, we're at the place we were last time when we tried to fly the drone, only this time we, well he tested it to see if it would record, and it did, and it's cold, and there's snow. Alright, here we go. Hey, this is the perfect weather for to fly the drone because you can actually see it.
I know.
And the sun isn't blocking your vision. Alright, hopefully this time it was a success. Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah.
You notice the snow kind of looks like the sugar that's on funnel cake?
Yeah.
Like, look at it. It's like all fluffy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this short little vlog. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the drone footage of the city with snow. I thought it looked pretty nice. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'm hoping will be less than a week. See you later. Bye.